time. Think about me. Before you go. 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 Think
Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you are all well. Let's trade. I'm sure if you're trading gold today, you might have been bored the whole day because gold is really doing nothing. Okay, so I had a sell setup recommended by Lwazi yesterday here. No, this was not yesterday. Okay, I scanned it yesterday and it was saying I must sell it here. Okay. Let's like the stream, folks. This was the silver setup. This was the silver setup. Okay, let's mark the register. Please give us a W, give us a shout out there on the comment section. It seems like the afternoon session is not really vibey, man. Maybe I should only stream in the morning. Where's the vibe for the afternoon stream? As I told you Sunday that if I see opportunities and I want to trade, I would come on anytime and stream with you guys. Okay, so silver, so on Sunday I said wait for the break, retest, then you can look to sell it here and then go to the downside. There's a reason why we did that, because for us this was a clear trap zone, so played out nicely. However, I didn't really have a position on here. Euro dollar yesterday, so go again, check the stream, guys. We had a lengthy conversation on Sunday and I was telling you guys, do not sell euro dollar at this level here. Okay, don't sell it here. Why I do that? Sucker trade, and I'm gonna demonstrate it to you guys again, day in day out. I'll just show you one thing all the time until you get it. Until you get it. Okay, so when you get a break here, what usually happens is, hey guys, we haven't prayed, we haven't started with prayer. So I was saying to you guys, don't sell here, do not sell there, buy it, sucker trades, look to buy it here and then go up with it. Okay, then you might have an overall sell here at 786. Maybe from there it might drop, so I'm looking at this level here to be maybe 786. We might get it here. Okay, so that was euro dollar. So we took TP yesterday. On it, You see, so this is what I had sent to you guys on the group yesterday. Guys, if you are not in this group, what are you doing with your life? Come join us. It's free, for heaven's sake. It's free. Why don't you get a free coaching and mentorship from us? So this was the trade. I sent it on the group. And I was asking you guys who's still holding it, right? There, bang, TP almost. And somebody sent this. How did this trade go, by the way? Somebody sent a scan from Lazi yesterday. This was, who's this? Robza. I hope you are watching. How did it go? So Robza said, the AI said we must sell it at 159,2,800. 159,2,800. Let's see. Let's see, 159. That's lousy for you. So another setup here. The AI said we must sell here. It's not me. It's here in black and white. Somebody scanned and they got the signal. I always say, guys, don't pay too much attention to the TPs that the AI is giving you. I said we are working on it. You know, in my opinion, I feel like the stops are too wide and TPs also widen. So don't pay, use your own discretion, rather utilize. So one can say, Mr. President, when this setup was sent on the group yesterday, if you took it, how are you going to position yourself? Keiki is asking, how do I join the free mentorship? It's easy. Just use the Octa link there. Make sure you use my link and use my promo code. This promo code for this month is MJ Royale. As easy as that. Make a minimum deposit of $25. If you feel like you want to withdraw that $25, you can withdraw it at any given time. Okay? Like you can withdraw it at any given time and still get access to the mentorship and training. So if you're asking me, MJ, when you got this setup yesterday, there's a signal. How was I going to position myself? So it says sell, say 85, and this was a lights out trade, 85% chance of winning it. 159,2,800. How was I gonna do it? Let me show you how I was gonna do it if I took this one. 159,2,800, which is here, right? Okay. I was going to utilize the ATR. Right, so ATR is trading at, during this time, it was trading around 18 pips. So what I was gonna do is put my stop loss on ATR times, so I was gonna say ATR times 1.5. Okay, that's what I was gonna do on this trade. So let's calculate it together. So I was gonna say 18 pips times 1.5. Oops. 18 pips times 1.5 and get around 27 pips stop loss. Okay, so I was gonna enter it here. Stop loss 27 pips there. Okay, and go for 1:2 TP here and around this area here. Look at TP is actually spot on where I was gonna put it. Okay, Robza, please update us on this trade. What happened? So that's how I was gonna do it. Clean setup according to the signal we got yesterday here. There it is, 159,2,800. Take your trade from there. That's how I was going to position myself with this if I took it yesterday. If you want to know how the ATR works, on the same group, you can say, Mr. President, can you give me a link to the ATR lesson? And then I can forward it to you, but only private members can access that group. or that video. Okay. So yeah, thank you for the signal there, Robza. We appreciate you, my friend. That was a good trade. What else? Oh, by the way, Game Assist Non-Talenta, what happened to your euro-dollar trade? Because yesterday there was a bit of a two teams in the group. The other guys did not like my signal. They said rather they wait for Lwazi's signal. So this, by the way, what you see on screen, ladies and gentlemen, it is the setup for euro-dollar. So that's why I always say to you guys, it is essential for you to attend the Sunday stream, because that's why I tell you what I'm gonna do for the whole week. Okay, so what you see on screen here is it's from Sunday evening. 1 hour I said we're gonna buy euro-dollar and go to the upside. There it is. There it is. It happened exactly that. Okay, and I told you also GU, let's buy it. Let's go to GU. There. So this here, what you see here is what I drew on Sunday. Okay. AUD USD also we wanted to buy. Look at how many trades we got right, man. Like if, and what's nice is that we don't delete the Sunday stream. Okay. So again, I gave you another setup. Don't tell me you didn't take it, please. And what did I say? You remember when I drew these circles for you guys on Sunday? Where's my tools now? Okay. You remember what happened when I drew these things for you guys on Sunday? Break, retest, sucker trade, you sell here, right? And I said, buy it when it drops. Buy it. There it is, AUD USD. We got it right. Nasdaq, again, I said, unfortunately, you didn't get a discount here. I said the discount can come at 24,243. Buy it. That was Nasdaq. There it is. US 30. I said buy again. So during the week, I said sell it here and go down. And then on Sunday, I said buy US 30. There it is. German is still consolidating, though we also wanted. Remember, I told you I was gonna be buying my indices for the whole week. So I'm just looking at how we handle this level here. So a break retest, we're gonna wait for this, then we're gonna go to the upside. Okay. What else? What else were we looking at? EJ. I can't remember the setup for EJ. I think it was the same. Let's look at GJ. Oh, GJ we got it wrong. So this is the only trade I think we got it wrong. For Sunday stream, this is a trade that we got wrong. Okay. I was anticipating that we sell it here. Unfortunately, we got it wrong. So what else? What else did we look at? Bitcoin. We're buying above 72,000. Bitcoin, there it is, starting to buy. Okay, I can go on and on, man. WTI, I told you guys buy from here. I said buy from here. We didn't get that retest. So I thought we're gonna break retest, trap, then buy here, and then go all the way to the upside. We also got it right. What else? Yeah, those are the trades that we looked at on Sunday. So I would say 90% of our trade went our direction. I think GJ is the one that we got it wrong. Okay, we got GJ wrong, which is okay. Brent crude, remember what I spoke about here, that I've seen this movie before. Okay, so let's use a bit of scanning. Let's scan a bit. Gamer doesn't waste time, so I just said go to the group and ask for the ATR video. Gamer is already asking. She doesn't have time to play. She wants it. She wants it. Okay. Okay. So if there's a pair you want us to look at, please let us know now. But let's do something first. Let's go to the AI and get some signals there. Today I'll be generous. I'll give it to you. Okay, market scanner. Okay, so remember Friday I ended the stream because of lack of participation. So let me not do that today, please. When I ask something, please, you guys must respond. Robson saying I closed the trade the minute my profits were on 90%. Lwazi gave me tips on how to manage that trade and it was spot on. Guys, if you are not using Lwazi, now I don't know what you want. Like, seriously, what do you want from me? I seriously don't know, man. You don't know how this thing has changed our lives. And it's keeping on changing our lives. Yeah, Elijah, tell them, my friend, let them like the stream. Jessica is asking a psychology question. What would you advise a person who struggles to hold trades in profit, closing too early due to fear of trade not reaching TP, but it usually does? How to manage or improve? Jessica, what I can say is go to www.tradewithmj.co.za. I can ask the AI that question. I can simply ask the AI that question. Let me just say to the AI, hi, what should I do if I struggle with trade management, closing trades too early? That's what I would do. I'm gonna go and ask the AI to help me. Look at Robza. Robza is saying he closed the trade on 90%. The AI told him what to do and it was spot on. The AI told him what to do and it was spot on. So that's, if I were you, that's what I would do. Guys, as much as I told you that I don't want to sound like it's a sales pitch, if I am really finding value in this thing, we don't see a point of giving it to the public. Why can't we just buy pro-firm accounts? Like, if I can have 10 guys that are serious about trading and we say, okay, fine, let's use our in-house AI, we just buy pro-firm. Imagine running 50 pro-firm challenges on this AI. You can't catch us. You wouldn't catch us, I promise you. So that's what I would do. The AI says, hey, I hear you loud and clear. Struggling with the trade management, especially closing trades too early, is a common challenge, but don't worry, we can tackle this together. Here's a step-by-step approach to help you stay in the game longer and maximize on your profits. Set clear goals on each trade. Before entering a trade, define your price and your stops level based on your analysis. Stick to your plan and don't let emotions dictate. Use risk-reward ratio. Number 3 says implement a trailing stop. Number 4, it says price patience. Number 5, it says review past trades. So how you're gonna review past trades is you're gonna use the same platform, go to journal and then review the work. Okay, review past trades. Mindset shift is number 6. Number 7, stay disciplined. I mean, I can go on reading the whole thing. So Jessica, that's what I would do. I would just go. That's what I would do. Okay, so let's see if so I would go to the journal because it's saying review past trades. So I will go to the journal and every trade that is recorded here, you look at it, right? So I want us to get a signal during this. And I know some of you say, Mr. President, the FSCA is watching. FSCA wanna make money, guys. Okay, so we've got majors. Please let me know there in the comment section. EU, GU, UJ, USD Swiss, AUD USD, USD Canadian, and NZD USD. Which one should I scan? Adventure, yeah, I'm live, my friend. Peter is saying, how can I get the AI? So go to www.tradewithmj.co.za. That's how you can get it. While I'm waiting for you guys, I'm gonna go there quickly. Go here. There is a special going and it's ending in the next 7 hours. If you fund with Octa $25, you can get access to all these 3 AIs from today. All of this. You can get them today. There is a special that is currently running. Okay? So, yeah. It's ending in 7 hours, 32 minutes and 30 seconds. So go now and www.tradewithmjs.za. But remember, you need to fund with Octa for you to do this. Okay. So let's see. AUD. So Stabby saying AUD USD. Let's go. Let's see. AUD USD. On the minor pairs, I have Euro Great Britain, EJ, which is Euro Japanese. I've got GJ, British Pound Japanese. I've got AUD NZD, AUD Japanese, and Swiss Japanese. Which one should I go for? Which one should I go for quickly? On the minor pairs, there's no AUD Swiss. So AUD USD, I've already clicked on it. Swiss business, Swiss what? We have Swiss Japanese, we have, I guess maybe you're talking about Swiss Japanese. I'll give it to you. Metals, should we go for silver or gold? Which one are we going for? Silver or gold? I can see what is happening. Some of you, please make sure you click on live, because some of you, I think you are a bit behind when you're watching this, because I can see with the response time. Okay, so it's obvious it's gonna be gold. Okay, so we've got 3 instruments that we need to choose here. Are we going for indices, crypto, or energy? Because I'm left with one. Remember, this thing only scans 4 pairs at a go. We will go for another round, it's fine. But you must know it's showing my credits when I do that. Should we go for indices, crypto, or energy? Okay, so offense is saying we go for crypto. First come, first serve. It's not that they beat you to it, I'm sorry. Okay, so on crypto, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. Which one? Shut up, sir. On crypto, which one should I go for? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and XRP. BTC. Okay, so let's go for Bitcoin. Let's scan. Okay, so we've got a gold short $4,987 per ounce. Okay, so can I remove this saying 4,000? You see, no man, that was TP. What am I doing? 5,019. 5,019. $5,019. Sure, that's too close. Okay, so out of everything that we have scanned, we have one signal from gold. Let's scan again. So I've already put the price here. I'm gonna put an alert on this one. Let's scan again. Let's do another round. Let's not repeat. Let's not repeat what we have already scanned. So we have scanned AUD USD, so we can't scan it again. So Euro dollar, British pound USD, USD Japanese. Rule out USD Japanese because already we had a trade that we scanned there yesterday and we already won it. So let's not mention UJ. Okay. So you have USD Canadian. You've got NZD USD. You've got Euro dollar. Hey, I had, oh man, there's something I saw on NZD USD. Where is it? Oh, I wanted to buy it here. Okay, I see. I remember now. Okay, so what should we go for? Euro dollar GAU, USD Japanese, USD Swiss franc. Okay, so AUD Swiss franc business, unfortunately, we don't have it, but I'll do it for you manually. Don't worry. We're still loading more pairs here. I see no one is responding. I'm gonna take my own. Let me see. I'll take USD CAD. Mr. Putty, let's take your, okay, on minor pairs. On minor pairs, Swiss franc Japanese, we did it, so we don't have it. Let's go for, excuse me, Euro Great Britain, and here we do silver because we already got this signal from gold. Then let's do indices this time. Let's take Nasdaq. Okay. Oh, there was a good question. Someone asked me, how long does the trade become valid? I want to go up to the comments. It was something that was quite interesting there. Mr. President, have you ever heard of Steve Mauru, Beat the Market Maker? What are your thoughts on him? Yeah, Steve Mauru is an OG, man. He was doing this high of the day, low of the day, WM pattern. Yeah, I know him. I used to watch his videos back in 2012. It's not that I say yesterday I didn't take that trade and it went your direction, Mr. President. I told you, you're gonna trust Loazi or you're gonna trust me. My trade hit TP yesterday. Dumiso is saying, can you make a competition and the winners become a part of the TWM team where they will trade with you on the prop firms? Yeah, so if I'm going to buy prop firms for 10 people, it will just be AI based. These guys are just gonna be controlling and putting in the orders and stuff like that. There's something very important I need. Okay, so the trade must, when you get this, it does say here, valid for the next 4 to 6 hours, 1 hour time frame, invalid price, choose above 550 or if the market strikes. So when the AI gives you a signal, you have like 4 hours to 6 hours until it's valid. So it's valid for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, we were busy with the scan. Okay. Let me scan. In the meantime, let me check AUD Swiss. Yeah. To be honest with you, I would sell this thing, man. If I'm being honest with you, I would really sell this thing, and I know it doesn't make sense. I would sell this thing here. Think about it. So can you see? Let me just try to turn the chart for you, né? I want you to see something. You see, I've changed the chart, right? You tell me, this is more or less the same thing as the EU for yesterday. Look at this. Look at the EU. Ah, flip, man. This is the same as the trade for yesterday that we won. Oops. You see, so that AUD Swiss business, I hope you are watching and you are paying attention. It's the same thing. Let me show you this. There. I would sell this, man, any day. I would really sell this any day. PXPA saying, how do I get the AI? Please go to www.tradewithmj.co.za. Okay, we got a signal from Silver. Sell at $73.30. Okay. No, $80. You know, I keep on looking at the TP instead of looking at the entry. $80.72. That's exactly where we are now. Okay. That's not me. That's what the AI say, that we need to sell silver. How do I get the AI? Go to www.tradewithmj.co.za. There's a special that is currently running for you to get these 3 AIs. Claim your 25%. You have access now. So you go on Trade with MJ, www.tradewithmj.co.za. You click on it. Please make sure that you copy the promo code. Then you sign up with the Octa. Then you can get access. Once you've done that, let us know. Then we can help you. You can go on the contact page. You will find there is a number there, or you can send an email that, hey, I am funded now with $25 with Octa. And by the way, guys, I always tell you can take that $25 and withdraw it after a week, and you will still have access to the AI. So we've got 2 signals already. Gold sell at 5,090. 5,019, by the way. Let's see how it goes. Family, please like the stream. So some of you have been asking how does it really work. So tonight we're having a webinar. Make sure that you do attend this webinar tonight. We're gonna be discussing the everything that has to do with the AI suite. How does it work and stuff like that. So make sure that you attend. It's a free webinar. The guys that are already accessing this, it's very important for you to attend. Even those that feel like, hey, I haven't subscribed to the AI and I want to know more about it. Join me tonight at 7 p.m. Okay, Nasdaq open to the upside. Seven p.m. 7 p.m. Everything is there on the poster. 7 p.m. South African Standard Time. Yeah, SA time. Okay, Nasdaq open nicely to the upside. We are now above that 24,786. Can I make a screenshot of this? Please allow me to make a screenshot of this setup here so that we can revisit it when once we execute. Oh no, what happened now? Oh, guys, can you please do me a favor? Like the stream. Please like the stream. The markets are a bit quiet today, man, but these indices are going. They're going. We're finally seeing that break above 23,780. Guys, like I always say, if you want to join our private mentorship, you're going to get free mentorship and training. Use that Octa link, sign up. Let us know that you've signed up. My phone number is there. Send me a text. Or if you want to know more about what we do, you can simply send me a text or go send us an email on info@tradewithmj.co.za. Or you can preferably go to our website and you get everything there. You'll get everything here. The $25 special is still running for 7 hours, 12 minutes, and 59 seconds. You can simply go get yourself an AI suite. Get all 3 AIs. Get yourself all these 3 AIs. All of them. When you make a deposit, remember, when you make a deposit, that's still your money. And I know some of you will say, MJ, I have $25, but it's my last $25 and I want to really access your AIs and I want to get involved in a private mentorship, private group. How can I do it? I always say, I have you guys always at my heart. I'm thinking about you guys. I always say the qualifying criteria is to sign up with Octa, right? And I always mention it, and I think I'm tired of mentioning it, that you've seen Octa sponsor a lot of educational tours that we've been doing. So if it's your last $25, you make a deposit, you sign up. After 2 days, you withdraw that money. If it's money that you need to use to feed your kids, that maybe $480, $500 is something that you cannot afford to put in the market. You can make a deposit today, after 2 days withdraw it and still get access. I mean, what more would you want then? But that's the best I can do, because the only thing you might say you will lose is maybe 2 days of time, but think about it, the value that you are going to get by doing that is way above. Muchava is saying, when did you send the WhatsApp? Did you send me a WhatsApp today? One thing about me is that I never miss my WhatsApp. Never. If you need me, and if I cannot get to you, you'll always get a call from someone from my office. And some of you were trying to call you, but hey, seems like the 087 number, you don't want it. You don't really want it. If you send me a text and I don't respond to you, just know that someone from my office is going to call you with the 087 number. This number right here. This is the number there. Please let me know in the comment section, what are you trading today? While you do that, please also ensure that you like this stream. Mchava, please let me know, my friend. Did you WhatsApp me today? If I ignore you on WhatsApp, I promise you, maybe there's something that you did. The people that I normally ignore on WhatsApp is the people that will hit me up. They will come and talk to me, and then we start having a conversation. They will be asking me questions. And then when I respond, you blue tick me. Just forget, I'm not going to respond to you, because I'm utilizing my time. A time I should be doing something else that can be paying me. I'm utilizing my time to respond to you. And you just blue tick me. If you do that, I promise you, you'll never get a response from me, and not in a harsh way or anything. but I can promise you without a doubt, the people that I ignore on WhatsApp, it's people that come to me, and when I respond to them, they blue tick me. I'm not gonna talk to you, never. I'm running a business here. And some people, by the way, they pay for my time. Muchawa is saying you said I should wait for an email. All the guys that made a deposit with Octa yesterday, they should all have emails. What's your email address? Can you text me now? AUD Swiss is dropping. Let's see. Like I said, man, I would sell it there for days. Okay. Dando is saying just got triggered, gold 5,019 from the trade you shared. Let's see. Seems like Dando took this trade. Silver as well. Okay. Mr. Amputi said my issue with the AI was sorted. The team is working hard behind the scenes. Got my login details. Thank you so much. We are trying, guys. We are really trying, man. Like, we are short staffed, but we are really trying. We are really trying our best to give you the best service ever. But once you get access to this, man, I promise you, like, you don't really need me. I think the next thing we need is just to have the AI do live stream. Then I can have early retirement. Okay, silver, it seems like it's dropping. Family, please help me like the stream. Let me pin my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp. And I can give you all the instructions on how you can join this group here. Someone sent something. I think Harold says he saw my take on GU potential counter. Okay, that was 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so counter, it was gonna come here if you take your FIP from I would say this level here, and you buy it here. Let's see what's happening with Nasdaq. Nasdaq still pushing nicely to the upside as we had anticipated. Still moving nicely. Mochava, as I'm talking to you, I just got a notification from my office. Someone from my office is watching the stream, and they are sorting you out now. They're really sorting you out. So check in the next 5 minutes. You should be having all the credits to use the AI. What are you guys trading? Please let me know down in the comment section. To be honest, guys, to stream again in the morning, I've got a lot of meetings to attend. Let me run a poll here. Let me hear from you guys. You know me, I work for you guys. Start a poll. That silver is dropping. Okay, gold is also still below our entry level. Trading Royale is I'm looking at the sell at GJ. Let me see. Look, my friend, I think GJ is the only pair that we got wrong. Out of how many trades did we? Gold, we got it right from Sunday. Silver, we got it right. Brent crude, we got it right. Euro dollar right. GU right. AUD. Like I said on Sunday, that I'm anticipating the weakness coming from the dollar. So I think most of our dollar pairs are actually we actually got them right. Only this one we got it wrong, and I think EJ as well. I think we also got that one wrong. I just want to see something quickly on the heat map. Okay, so heat map, what is currently happening now with the heat map? US dollar is weak AUD is strong, British pound neutral, NZD weak, Canadian dollar weak, Swiss franc neutral, Japanese yen it's neutral as well. So I think we are having a mixed structure here on the currency heat map. But let's look at G7 and BRICS countries. What's happening there? G7, so US dollar strong, US dollar weak, euro strong, Japanese yen, we've done that. Let me look at Brazilian is strong, the Indian currency is also weak, Russian currency also weak, South African currency I would say it's neutral for the day. I would say gold is still consolidating, man. There's really nothing on this gold. I think even with the setup, even when the AI gave us a setup, I'm still not comfortable really, man, because this thing is consolidating. But I'll be keeping an eye on it. Mr. President, when do you think is the right time to start trading an ECN account? Because spread sometimes is big on small accounts and won't allow. Most ECN brokers, what I know is that, yeah, some assets you won't be able to trade them, and the leverage as well. I mean, last time when I was trading an ECN account, and that was back then, I used to have 1:200, 1:300 leverage, and then they changed their policy and they said, okay, fine, the guys that are under a certain amount of money, I think they were saying under $5,000, because I think I was having like $2,000 something, and they were saying guys that are under $5,000 are only going to utilize 1:30 leverage, and it had to do with the region as well. I think South Africans that time, this was an Australian based broker. So ISEC, man, the regulatory board, they don't like taking chances. Those guys, they are very harsh and hard on brokers. So it all depends, man. Like, it depends on your ECN broker, to be quite honest with you, because I can say any amount and I can say when you can trade it, but if I don't know like the structure of that broker, it's going to be difficult for me to advise you. But yeah, I know most ECN brokers, man, they want people that are making like huge deposits. The market is pretty much quiet today, guys. Like, it's really, really quiet. Quiet. Most of the moves are gone. Okay, I think we can drop it there. So 76% of you guys are saying we must stream in the morning. Okay, fine. I hear you. No, it's fine, guys. Let me see you in the morning. Oh, no, not in the morning. 7 o'clock, guys. Don't forget. Tonight we have a webinar. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. We are here on Zoom. Make sure that you do attend. Thank you so much for your guys. I really appreciate you guys. For those of you that say, Mr. President, we want to join your private group. I actually have 99 members on that group, man. It's a very small group. You can use that WhatsApp number that is there. Send me a text and I will advise you on how you can join us. It's actually free, by the way. It's actually free. So yeah, with that being said, from the president, we are out, guys. I'll see you tonight at 7 p.m. Cheers.